If I cut down my calories on purpose, it would stress me out. Is it good? It's like now I want to chase that strong. Like I want to wake up strong, and I don't know. I'm also not trying to, cut my calories. I feel like that's also a factor. I want to chug cold water. That's it. So I don't think right now I have that mental capacity to incorporate calorie counting, to incorporate cutting calories, but that's okay. That's okay.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Hello, good morning. It is 6:44 and I have slept well. I think an early dinner really helped. But even yesterday, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going through my head, but I do feel like something's bothering me. I just don't know what. Anyway, I was able to fall asleep by 11:30. Another thing is, I think the last few weeks I feel like my body is recovering well, so I don't feel as tired. Like earlier I would just knock out. I feel like even that's like, I feel like that's a sign that your body is too tired. So I feel like, is it good that I don't feel too tired anymore, or is it not good? I don't know. Like that's something that I was thinking about, and I was like, you know what? I used to be too tired because as soon as I would, lay down, I would just fall asleep in like 2 minutes. So I feel like my body was too tired, and that's not happening right now. So I'm going to take that as a good sign. I feel like I have better energy now to do whatever I want to do, and I feel like that is good. I just feel like just with sleep, I want to fall asleep earlier. So let's see. I think the next few days will kind of see what's happening and try and improve based on that. But early dinner is good, so I will keep doing that, hopefully. I am having my cream cheese toast, and today I have taken cold brew because I ran out of protein coffee. See, I told you something's going through my head. I mean, usually I'm on top of things, like I am always aware of what I need to order, what I need to get. I'm always, yeah, but I forgot about it and I ordered it, but it will be delivered I think tomorrow. So that's all right. I'm going to have cold brew and enjoy cream cheese toast and get to my workout in some time.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just tell me my mind. I'm trying to keep it in sober, sober, sober. Oh, simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some.
Just finished today's workout. It was full body, and we have completed the strong 20 program, which was a 10-day program, but I do feel like I took a day or two, and I chose to do full body stretch instead. And so basically I completed this in 12 days, I guess, but I see a huge improvement in 12 days. I mean, I think, I don't know, I feel like it's like when it comes to workouts, I feel like everything aligned so well in the past 2 weeks that it just made it amazing. Yeah, a couple of other thoughts. One is yesterday night, not yesterday night, basically, yesterday after my workout, whenever I was walking, I could feel that my glute muscle, I think I pulled it, and I could feel that it was pain. So I did try and walk it off, but that didn't help. And yesterday night before going to bed, I tried doing a few stretches because it wasn't too painful, but I could feel that that something pulled, and I could feel that basically. So I tried stretching, and usually whenever I'm in pain, I don't train. If I feel like it's painful, then I skip training. But I woke up today and I didn't feel a thing. I mean, I don't know, my body just needed rest, or because I know that it was pain. It wasn't like muscle soreness, or it wasn't like the usual strain. Maybe strain is not the right word, but like usually, like I know how my muscles feel after a workout. It wasn't that. So but I don't feel anything today, so I guess my body just needed a good night's sleep. So that, and I don't know, I think second thing that I want to mention is that I think I just started depending on protein coffee because I like the taste, and also whenever I want to include something in my day-to-day everyday life, basically I try and look for ingredients. I try and look for something that would not suit my body, right? So based on whatever, how my body reacts to different food, whatever data I have collected for myself, I like the taste, and I feel like with ingredients as well, I tried researching about it, and I was like, okay, let's just give this a try. And I think I just started depending on that coffee. It has 2 espresso shots, and there's protein as well, and I do think that it really helped me with the workouts. But today, I mean, I had a cold brew and I feel like it was the same energy. I mean, so I don't know. I mean, I have ordered it, but I'm thinking maybe I don't want to drink it every day. So let's see. I think I'm going to experiment that also a little bit. I think if I sleep well, I do feel like I have enough energy. And also, I think the last few years, from the time I've started working out at home, I like to work out at home, so I don't feel the need to go out, and I don't like to go out like empty stomach. Like I feel like something would happen, I'd feel nauseous or whatever. So I like to fuel myself. But since I work out at home, I tried working out with black coffee, and it worked really well for me. Black coffee suits me. I have not seen any issues so far. So, but I stopped drinking that because I wanted to try protein coffee and I liked it, so I just started having that. But I feel like, because if I'm able to work out on an empty stomach, I feel like I would want to do that first thing in the morning and just get done with the workout. Like that's also an option. I feel like I can explore that again. I really thought that fueling, I feel like it works, but I usually wake up with a lot of energy, so maybe I'll try it for like a day or two. I'll see. I'm in a mood for a little bit of experimentation to see if there's anything that would suit my body even better. So like I want to try that. So let's see. I think we can adjust according to our body, whatever suits us the best. And really happy with the workout. I'm sweating like crazy, like really happy that I got done with the program. And I think another thing, things are just coming out of my head right now. Yeah, so I think earlier I would, whenever I'm trying to build and work on my consistency, I try and keep things interesting, like maybe one workout program, and then I just switch to something else. I usually do that when I'm trying to get into my workouts, if I have not worked out in a long while. but I feel like now I'm at a place where I want to improve on this. Like the last time, I think I try and compare it to myself. The last time when I did, I think I reached up to 5 kg dumbbells and I just kept doing that. You know, I never thought about increasing weights, I never thought about it, and I feel like I'm enjoying weight training so much that I want to, you know, progressively just improve on weights. And I feel like I want to stick to one program, and I saw that her programs, they are in order, so I want to keep doing that because I can see even in 10-12 days I see such a huge improvement in weights. Today with snatches and all, I think I can go a little bit heavier. I don't think I'd be able to do all the reps. Maybe I would have to go slow. I think even 5 kg is challenging, but I can feel that I'm able to do it now. I think so I want to, you know, push a little bit harder. I want to see. So let's see. I think I want to keep doing her workouts because I want to improve on weights. I feel like I've been feeling a lot strong. Like I can feel my muscles, and I'm just so proud. You know, I think number on a scale has not moved this month at all, but that's okay. That's okay. I feel like I'm not really trying. When I started doing all of this and I was working on my consistency, I did think that I want weight loss as a result. But as my workouts are going forward, I feel stronger and stronger, and it's like now I want to chase that strong. Like I want to wake up strong, and it has impacted my energy a lot too. Like I feel really strong, my clothes fit better. So I think now whatever's happening, I feel like it's fat loss because my clothes do fit better, but the number on the scale hasn't moved this month at all. But like I'm absolutely okay with it. I think I'm also not trying to, you know, cut my calories. I feel like that's also a factor, but I'm enjoying strength training so much that I want to fuel my body. If I feel like my body needs it, I'm just eating it. And also I feel like if I cut down my calories on purpose, it would stress me out. And I feel like, as I have already mentioned it 10 times, like sleep is my number one priority. And when I talk about sleep, I mean my mental health, I mean like my stress levels and all of that included in sleep. So I don't want to stress myself at all, and I'm really enjoying my workout. So I think I want to keep doing this. And if I do decide to, you know, cut my calories or whatever, I feel like let's just, like I'm not in a rush, you know, so I don't have a deadline. So I feel like if I'm enjoying this right now, let's just work on it. And maybe after some time, I think maybe when I feel like I have more of a hold on my emotions, I feel like that's when I would strategically try and cut calories, but that also not for a longer time. I think that is also another lesson learned from my past mistake. I don't want to do it because I counted my calories, I cut my calories the last time when I was trying to, you know, focus on my fitness. And I feel like after a while my weight kind of, it just became stagnant, and then I was not able to eat more. Like I feel like my body just got so used to it that, yes, all of that I don't want to try because I feel like I just fail at the end. So I don't think right now I have that mental capacity to incorporate calorie counting, to incorporate cutting calories, and that's absolutely okay. I feel like let's just go with how our body is feeling, and I'm not in a rush. So even if that happens in like a year or maybe 2 years, like I'm absolutely okay with it. So let's just go. Let's keep doing, let's keep moving in ways that are enjoyable for me. And yeah, I feel like just the workouts are too good. I have become like, it's like just too much wisdom, you know. Let's go. Let's shut up and get on with my day. It is 9:40 and I just got ready and I want to have my breakfast. So I have overnight chia pudding with kiwi and creatine and also 2 boiled eggs. So this will be my breakfast, and I'm also packing my lunch. So I have rice, I have dal and air fried paneer and veggies. So I'm going to carry this for lunch, and that will be all for now. I will see you for dinner. It is 6:40 and I got back home at around 6 and I just prepared my dinner. Basically, I reheated rice and dal and I have some air fried chicken along with it. And also, I just made a yogurt dip because I wanted something cooling. And also for chicken, I just did a very basic seasoning, so that's why I thought it would be a good idea to just have some yogurt as well. So I did that. Added a few seasonings in yogurt as well for some extra taste. So I'm going to have this for dinner. Again, today was a busy day. I feel tired and I want to eat my dinner, have some energy, and I don't really have anything cold to drink, but I feel like I just want to drink. I want to chug cold water. That's it. But we'll see. If I end up eating or drinking something, I will let you know. Otherwise, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow.